Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the secret code, as it is the quickest option to check those numbers. So let's open the dialer and the keypad, and the code for this option is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK. And let me show you another option to check those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, so you'll still be able to check them. Let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on About Phone. And now let's enter all specs. Here let's tap on the status. And as you can see, right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, because they are divided between the SIM cards. And if you'd like to check the serial number, you have to tap on Model, and as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.